Ease your everyday floor cleaning with ECOVACS DEEBOT 500. Just start the cleaning easily at the push of a button in ECOVACS Home app. Regardless of floor types or messes, the 3-stage cleaning system enables the robot to sweep, lift, and vacuum messes easily and thoroughly in one go. DEEBOT 500 is especially designed for carpet cleaning. Thanks to the powerful Max mode, the suction power could be doubled to give your carpet an intense clean. Give your home the right clean for every occasion with flexible cleaning modes. Edge mode for cleaning specific edges. Spot mode for when intensive cleaning in one area is required. And auto mode for general cleaning. You can feel safe knowing your robot will protect the furniture while cleaning. The robot will intelligently avoid obstacles with anti-collision sensors. Don't worry about your robot falling downstairs. DEEBOT will sense a drop-off and will safely reverse its direction. You can also have a total wireless control with smart home devices. Simply schedule a clean with the app and let your robot take care of the rest. Once cleaning is finished, your smart robot will automatically return to its dock station to charge all by itself. Now, enjoy the convenience of DEEBOT 500 and do more of what you love.